Hello, my name is Fletcher Marsh, and this is my term project for 15112. I worked on a gravitational simulator that allows the user to create center objects, create orbiting objects, and watch their interactions, and watch what trajectories orbiting objects take, with some interesting interactions. So let's get started by looking at the free play mode. So once we get into free play mode, we are given a menu to select both center and orbiting objects. The first thing that you would select is the center object, so let's create an Earth or a planet as a center object. And so once an object is selected, it goes to the center, obviously, and now you can start the process of creating orbiting objects. So let's choose the moon here, and let's start its trajectory off right about here, I'd say. Alright, so here we have an interesting rotating elliptical orbit. It creates some interesting patterns with the trail, as you can see. But let's try adding in a more interesting object like a star. Stars are very massive, so we expect this to have a very rapid acceleration towards the center object. And let's see what it does. Oh my gosh, so as you saw, it fell into the center, it fell close to the center object and then slingshot around and left the canvas. So when an object is slingshot out of bounds, the object is removed and you can just create another object in free play mode. Now another interesting feature we have here is the option to have your mouse act as gravity. So when I click mouse gravity, essentially wherever my mouse is on the canvas will be initialized to a planet's gravity, and then you can choose any other gravitational strength that you want. So let's try, once we get the moon into a good position, let's try creating mouse gravity. And there we have it. It's now orbiting around my mouse. Oh, and I moved it, and it slingshot out, and hopefully will return, but let's not wait for that to happen. Let's move on to the challenge mode. Oh, and if you ever need help, you can go down here. An in-depth description of what you can do is listed here. And yeah, let's go to challenge mode. So challenge mode is a little bit different in the sense that you cannot choose your center. It is given for you. And your objective is to survive as long as you can, get as many things in orbit as possible, and keep things from colliding, or else it's game over. So let's see how many points we can score in challenge mode given our random center. Alright, so we're given a planet as a center. Planets are very nice in the sense that they have easy gravity to work with. So as you can see, the score is ticking up for every second that passes, and every second the program counts the number of objects that are on the board currently and displays them at the end of the game over screen. And so each object is worth a different amount of points. Asteroid is worth 1 point per second, moon is worth 5, planets 10, stars 20, and black holes 50. And so yeah, that's the majority of challenge mode. So thank you for stopping by to watch my 15112 term project. It was a lot of work, but I honestly had a lot of fun making it, and I hope you guys enjoyed.